everybody. This is Missy, and if you're new to my channel, this is Jake and me, Vanlife, and Jake is my cat, who's right now under my seat sleeping. So we met up with Beth and Judy and had a really nice time, but we're actually trying to outrun a storm that's coming all across Arizona. So we've got about 41 more miles to go, I guess. And we're going to just kind of make today a day about getting stuff done, like our laundry, dumping our trash, things like that. But I need to do some editing so I can post some more videos. So I'm figuring while the rain is coming, I will just work on editing videos and posting them so that you have some new content from me. Yeah, it's with this big storm coming, it's caused a lot of pain in my entire body. And so, like last two nights, I wasn't able to stay up late at the campfire, which was disappointing because apparently they had a lot of funny stuff happening last night. But I was just in so much pain, I couldn't sit in the chairs anymore, and I needed to lay down. But, you know, that's something I deal with in doing this lifestyle, and I knew it before I started it, that there were times that I wouldn't maybe be able to enjoy certain things if I'm having a hard time physically. So today's a really hurting day because the rain's coming today. Anyhow, I'll let you know how it goes because it's supposed to be some storms and whatnot all the way till Monday. So we're trying to head to higher ground so we don't have to hopefully worry about flash floods and things like that. Although there's a flood watch all over most of the entire Arizona state. So if you don't get videos from me right away, you know, as I usually do, 2 or 3 a week, that's why. But I just wanted to update you guys and tell you hello, and I am so excited for my next video to come out. I have a van tour that I just did of Beth, and when we get to where we're going, when it's not raining, I have another van tour to do from Judy, and I'm just really excited about you guys seeing the van tours. Anyhow, I hope everybody's doing well. Did you see I made over 200 subscribers? I hit 200 this past week, and I'm like so excited and happy. So now I have a new goal to work on, and that's to get to 300. So feel free to share any of my videos with your friends and family. Anybody that's interested that you know in this lifestyle, van life, share my videos. And if you like my videos, try to hit like on the videos when you watch them. It helps the algorithm, but it also helps me get closer to rewards down the road. You know, like you have to get 1,000 subscribers and so many views before you can start making money. And I never set out to do that, but why not now? I mean, I'm just really enjoying it, and I'm enjoying the feedback from you guys. So please bring your feedback on. I would love to hear it. Now, one thing I want to ask you is, if you wouldn't mind, would you just put in the comment what state you are from? I would really like to know, or what country. I would love to know where you're watching me from. So if you wouldn't mind, will you please do that for me? Thank you so much. But Jake has been doing good. He has been in hog heaven, being out where we were camping in the woods. It was just beautiful. So I think we spent two nights there, or 3 nights. 2 nights, I think. And then we heard about the storms, and so we're booking it out of here as best we can. Well, I will be back later. Like I said, I just wanted to check in and say hi and let you know that I'm working on editing some videos this entire weekend and today too, I hope. Fingers crossed. And if you have any questions for me, let me know. I would love to hear your questions and comments. Any ideas you'd like to see me do, that'd be great. All right, everybody. Well, take care. We'll talk to you soon.